In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore closed tabs in Brave browser. If you've ever closed a tab by accident in the middle of research or while shopping, don't worry. Brave makes it simple to bring it back. I'll walk you through the quickest keyboard shortcut and the menu method using your browsing history, so you can recover what you need without losing momentum. First, open your Brave browser, so we're starting from the same place. To demonstrate, open any website in a new tab, then close that tab. You can close it by clicking the small X on the tab itself, or by using the standard close shortcut. The point is just to simulate that moment when a tab disappears and you want it back. Now, for the fastest recovery. Press Ctrl, Shift, and T on your keyboard at the same time. This command immediately restores the last tab you closed and reloads it. If you closed several tabs, keep pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T repeatedly to step back through each one in the order you close them. On a Mac, use Command, Shift, and T. This shortcut can even reopen an entire window if that was the last thing you closed, which is a lifesaver after an accidental quit. If you prefer using the menu, or you're looking for a specific page from earlier today, you can restore from your history. Look to the top right corner of Brave and click the three-line menu. From there, click on History. You'll see a list of recently visited pages, usually grouped by time. Find the site or tab you closed and click it to open it again in a new tab. This view is helpful when you remember the page, but not the exact sequence you closed things in. And it gives you a quick overview of what you were working on. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. Private windows don't save history, so closed tabs from a private session won't appear in history and can't be restored that way. Also, if you recently cleared your browsing data, those pages may no longer be available to recover. Otherwise, both the shortcut and history methods are dependable and fast. That's it. Open Brave, close a tab to test, use Ctrl plus Shift plus T to bring it back instantly, or head to the three-line menu and click History to restore it from your browsing list. With these two options, you'll spend less time retracing your steps and more time getting things done. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.